Hey everyone, my name is Siddharth Gupta and today I want to share my journey of becoming a certified management accountant. If you are preparing for CMA or any other tough exam, this video is for you. I started my CMA US journey while I was in BCom first year and today I have completed it even before finishing my BCom final year. Right now I am in BCom third year and I can proudly say that I am a certified management accountant. One important thing, I did all this while attending a regular college in Kanpur. I used to go to college daily and at the same time I managed my CMA's preparation. It was challenging but possible. I started my CMA preparation in May 2023 and took my Part 1 exam in September 2023. Thankfully, I cleared my CMA Part 1 on my first attempt. That gave me a lot of confidence. Then came Part 2, which I attempted on in May 2024. Unfortunately, I failed with 300 marks. It was disappointing, but I didn't stop. I prepared again and gave my second attempt in September 2024. But I missed passing by just 10 marks. I scored 350. That moment was tough. I felt completely demotivated and even cried and started doubting myself, but my family and especially Roy Single sir supported me. Sir motivated me again and helped me to get back on track. With new energy, I gave my third attempt in January 2025 and this time I passed with 400 marks. That moment was unreal. I finally became certified management accountant even before completing my BCom. If you want to crack CMA, just reading books is not enough. Smart study is the key. Here are few things that work for me. Daily college plus CMA study balance. Time management is very important. Concept clarity. Understand the topics, don't just memorize them. Mock test. The bigger game changer, they help identify weak areas. Focus on weak topics, spend more time on what you find difficult. Consistency and patience. Small efforts every day lead to big results. Now I have already completed my CMUS. I have already started preparing for IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard, because learning should never stop. A big thank you to Roy Single sir who supported and guided me throughout my journey. His motivation helped me push through my failures and came back stronger. If you are preparing for CMA or any tough exam, never give up. If I can do it, so you can. So can you. Stay focused, work hard and believe in yourself. Your success is waiting for you. Thank you so much.